In this video, I'll be going over how to divide 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. The 5-step of division is we will first write out the division problem, multiply, and then we subtract, bring down the number, and then repeat the process again. In this example, 624 divided by 26, we would write out 624 divided by 26. Now, the first part we want to look at is the divisor here, which is 26. So the number 6 is definitely too small for 26, so we will have to go with 62. And we want to place the number here and not here. And the reason is because we're dividing by 62 and not by 6. So 26 times by 2 will give us 52. So that's the multiply portion. Then the next step is to subtract. So 62 minus 52, we have 10. Now 10 is smaller than 26. So we can move on to the next number and bring it down to 4. So now we have 104 divided by 26. And the number that we would times 26 by would be 4. As that would come out to 104 exactly. And after we subtract, the remainder is 0. And so our answer here will become 24. What about this one? What about this one? Using the same process, we would write out the division. And next, we will multiply. So in this case, A is too small, so we will choose 81, which is the next step. Divide by 42. And the number we choose will be 1. That will become 42. 81 minus 42 is 39. And since this number is smaller than this number, so we know that it works. And we can move on to the next step, which is to bring down the 5. And so we have 395 divided by 42. And 9 will work. 42 times 9 is 18. 4 times 9, 36 plus the 1, 37. So we have 378. So 395 minus 378, we get 17. And that number is smaller than the divisor of 42, so that is the remainder. So our answer would be 19, remainder 17. That's the answer. Now let's try this one. 263 divided by 23. Writing out the division, 263 divided by 23. Second step, multiply. 26, 23 will be 1. 26 minus 23 is 3. Subtraction's done. Now bring down the 3. 23 times 1 is 23. Becomes 10. And that's the remainder. So the answer will be 11, remainder of 10. So these 3 examples are how you would divide 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. We also have other video on dividing 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers, as well as other division tutorials. And you can find them in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.